Okay, so this is going to be a complete step-by-step walkthrough on how to automate your trades with Icarus Trend Algo. I'm going to go over everything from getting the prop account or using your live account to being finished with the entire thing. So step one, we're going to go to whatever firm you want to use. I just bought a couple of Apex accounts to do this with, so we'll do that. So we're going to go to Apex Trader Funding. You're going to log into your account because you have to make one before you buy. And then you're going to go over to here. See where it says TradingView on the left side, add-ons, whatever account you want to do. You do 150K is the best one to do for these. I already bought them, so I'm not going to do it, but you're going to put all this information in. And I do have a discount code. You're going to get it from the Discord right here in socials. And the discount code is BXKLFBRD. You can copy it, go here, and then click paste. And you're going to get a little check mark. Well, I can't use my own code, obviously. And you go through here, and the account's going to be $16. I believe it expires January 2nd at 11:59 p.m. So after you have your account, you're going to head over to TradingView, and you can log into your account with your username and password. You'll log in, and then you'll see it there. Perfect. After you get all that done, you're going to go over to TradersPost. We'll go right here. This is your dashboard, what it's going to look like. I'm going to go over from step one to the final step to creating your strategy, the subscription, and the webhook. So we're going to start right here by adding a paper broker. We're going to use TradingView. We're going to click TradingView, click agree. Then you're going to sign in with whatever prop firm or live account that you have with them. And bam, now it's connected. Keep in mind you have to do this with every single TradingView account that you have. So for Apex, if you have 5 accounts, you have to do this 5 different times. So we're just going to call this test Apex account 3. And it's going to be connected to this account that I have right here. Don't do anything with max strategy positions. You're going to click save. And now you can see it in the left-hand side, test Apex account 3. It's right there. So then after you do that, you're going to see where it says this broker has not been connected to a strategy. Create a new subscription, connect it to this broker. So you're going to click that. These are my previous strategies that I have here. And once you have done this once or twice, you're going to see them pop up right here. And you can just easily do that. And it deletes one whole step from this process. So since I want to create a new strategy, we're going to go to strategies, click create new strategy. We're going to call this again test Apex 3 strat. We're going to use mini NQ for it. And make sure you select the asset class as futures. Tickers you don't need to do. Notifications, you can have the notifications configured any way you want. Security doesn't matter. You're going to click save right here. Great. So now it's saved. Now you're going to go to subscriptions. It'll automatically bring you over there. So we're going to subscribe the strategy to test Apex account number 3, because that's one we're using. I'm going to click that, click confirm, press confirm. There it is. So now your Apex test account is subscribed to the strategy that we just made. See how it says Apex 3 strat mini NQ? And you're going to do everything that I do right here. So we're going to click auto submit. Make sure that's on. Sides, we're going to do both bullish and bearish. And then you're not going to touch any of these. You're going to go to position sizing. Make sure you select subtract exit quantity from signal quantity. That is very important. And then we're going to go to entry. Entry order type is going to be market. Make sure this is also selected on. Should already be. And exit order type's got to be market as well. After you do that, you're going to click save. And you're going to click enable so it's on. So now that the strategy is on, it automatically created a webhook right here. So you can see it right here, and you can see it again in your strategies. You go there and you just click view. but it automatically created a webhook. So you're going to go to webhooks. We're going to go to subscriptions. So this is the one we just made. You can copy it from here or you can copy it from before. So you're going to copy this webhook. It's going to go into your whatever. Then you're going to head over to TradingView. So after you've gone to whoop.com and purchase the algorithm, you're going to see all this right here. Calendar bookings, that's a free optional 30-minute call with me just to help you get you started. And then you're going to click Discord. You're going to join the Discord through this. And then TradingView, you're going to join through whatever email address or username you have for TradingView. You're just going to click it right there. After you've done that, go into TradingView. You're going to get a notification, and it's going to say Icarus Trades granted you access to a script. So you're going to click that. After you click that, you're going to add it to favorites, which I've already done. See how it says remove from favorites? Great. Exit out this stuff. And then for indicators, see it's already my favorites. It's right here. I just click it and it's on my screen. As you can see, it's right on my screen right here. So to create an alert, we'll do that right after we fuss with the settings. So we're going to go like this. We're going to go to Discord. And we're just going to do the settings for NQ. So for take profit, we have 187. Here, click 187. For stop loss, we have 400. For length, we have 350. These don't matter, the ADX range and VWMA, unless you want them on. And then for session start and end hours, we just copy right here. So we do 0, 0, 11, 0, 19, 0, 0, 0, and close out all times going to be 12:45. Great, now that's set. And keep in mind for the inputs tab, the numbers are in 24-hour clock time, and they're going to be 1 hour ahead of the number you put in here. It's a bug in the code. I got to get it fixed. So for the session 1 end hour, you think it's going to be 11 a.m. Eastern time, but it's really going to be 12 p.m. Eastern time, meaning the algo is not going to open up any new trades past 12 p.m. Eastern time. And it's going to close out all trades that it might be still in at 13:45, which is 1:45 p.m. After that, great. You're going to go to properties. This doesn't really matter, but you can put in the account size you're using it on right there. And then the contracts, the amount of contracts you're going to use. For 150K account, I suggest using 5 mini NQ contracts. We're going to change that to 5, and we're going to put pyramiding to 0. Everything else here, I believe you just keep the same. So we're going to click OK. Fantastic. We have that all set up. And now to create the actual alert. So we're going to go back to TradersPost right here. We're going to copy the URL, the webhook URL again for our test Apex account 3 and our test Apex 3 strat mini NQ that's connected to. You're going to go over here. You're going to right click, or not right click, just click it, add alert on Icarus trend algo within the current settings it has now. You're going to go over to notifications, webhook URL. So to get the webhook URL, you're going to at least need the essential plan. And I do have a discount code and a $15 credit you can use in the Discord, in the socials, in the same place that you found the TradersPost discount as well, and the Apex Trader Funding discount. So we're not going to put that in there, but you'd click this webhook URL. I can show you on my other TradingView too. We go here. You can add alert, notifications, and then it pop up right here, just like that. So after you do that, make sure all this order fills and alert function is on. Then you're going to name the alert. So we're going to name it mini NQ test alert. We're going to delete this message right here because we don't need it. We're going to go over to the Discord, and we're going to find where I put it. I think it's in TradersPost. Yeah, TradersPost. So you're going to copy this message right here and make sure you include the brackets. You're going to paste that in there. So now that that's pasted, you use that for ES, YM, crypto, whatever you're using, you're going to use that same exact message. And then you're going to click create. So now if you hit this little alarm tab, your alert right here is going to be active. So now that it's active, we are connected to TradersPost right here. It's all connected and nothing will show up until a play is executed. So after that, head to the Discord, see anything else, key information. This is just information on when not to run it, different days, and stuff like that. And then obviously you can go in here and ask me questions or go into just the general futures chat, stuff like that. So that's the step-by-step on how to connect your prop firm account, or you can use the live account. It's going to be the same exact settings for any prop firm account as well. And that's how you do the strategy, the subscription, the webhook, and then connecting it all to TradingView to actively send the alerts to TradersPost to the broker and firm or live account of your choice. So that's just a brief rundown on how to do it.